Good morning. My name is Maximilian Giel. I'm an outdoor and adventure photographer, and today I'm here for a sunrise mission to test out again the Mavic Mini 2. And yeah, let's see what we get. I'll see you later on and tell you a little bit more what I'm thinking, what's good and what's bad on this drone. But now let's jump into the video. Okay, let's just walk up the mountain. Just super beautiful. And there, see a fog. So nice. Let's get up there. Oh, now I'm here at the start of the climbing part. Just get rid of the headlamp. And I think I don't need gloves anymore. So let's get rid of the gloves as well. It's pretty warm up here. Call this inversion, you know. That's because of the fog and the cold air that usually is up can't go down, so the warm air stays actually up here, and so it's much warmer up here than down there. So I had like 5 or 6 degrees Celsius on the car, and now I think I got like 10 or 12 degrees. It's pretty warm, sweating quite a lot. So yeah, that's typical here in Switzerland in autumn, what we find. And we also have this sometimes in winter. So this means that all the snow is melting up there. That's not too good. All right, so let's climb up there. Still 20 minutes to go till sunrise. So yeah. So that's the most well-known part of the route, the knife ridge. I'm gonna go over there to the spot and then fly the drone when the sun is rising, basically over there. This is gonna happen in a little bit more than 10 minutes. So yeah, let's go over there. So here we are. So I'm gonna fly it. Yeah, let's preparate all the stuff. Super nice. Sun is rising over there somewhere. Yeah, sweet conditions, not too bad. But for sure, way better if the clouds or the fog would be maybe 700 meters higher. This would be the optimum conditions, but yeah, you can't have everything. So yeah, let's see what we get. So while I've got some time, I just want to use this time to tell you a little bit more about the drone and things that I actually forgot in the first video about it. First thing, the build quality, it seems to be better. You remember maybe there's videos from the first drone where you could just like twist this. That's not possible anymore, so they obviously took a different plastic for this kind of thing. And the next thing is it's really stable in the air, and anyway, it's cheap, it's small, but for me it's not a beginner drone. It's not easy to fly this. Just I want to tell you that. So if you're new to droning, use this drone on places where you're allowed to fly for sure. Always check that. I use in Switzerland zones from map.geoadmin.ch. I just linked that down below. Then you can type in there drones or the German term, and then you find the restrictions for drones. Or you can use the Dronebuddy app. So this is basically like that, and I just show you that. Let's just unlock this. So I've got the Dronebuddy app, so I click on there. I think it's free, and then you have the map and it locates you, and now you can see that I'm here in a zone where it's yellow. So I can see that I'm allowed to fly with drones that are lighter than 0.5 kilograms, and then I know I can fly with this drone, but I'm pretty sure that I have to authorize it through the app and unlock it. So we will see that. So I check that again here in the app. So I find the drones and I make locate me, and you see that I'm here in the zone. And then there is standing, it's prohibited to operate model aircraft and drones weighing between 0.5 and 30 kilograms within 5 kilometers of the runways of a civil or military airfield. So this is not half a kilo, so I'm allowed to fly here with this drone. So that's the thing. The next thing, that's what all people asking, is what's going on with the wind. So I actually didn't test it till now because I'm lucky that I didn't have too much wind till now, but it's probably a little bit more powerful than the first one, but I never actually flew the first one, so I can't tell you anything about it. So my recommendation, be careful with the wind. I nearly lost my DJI Mavic Pro just 2 or 3 weeks ago due to really strong winds, and I had really hard times to get the drone back. So I really recommend to maybe just fly this in winds up to 30-40 kilometers per hour. More I wouldn't recommend. That's my recommendation. But even if there's a little bit of wind, it's still super stable, through the GPS senders inside it. So I think it's perfectly fine, but I think always you should think about if there's 50 or 80k of wind on the top of a mountain, you should definitely consider if you're really willing to fly the drone or if you don't. So I mean, yeah, that's kind of, yeah, that's clear. I think so. And beside of that, yeah, the video quality is really cool. It's a little bit different from the color profile to the Mavic 2 Pro, but really nice. The image quality is not that good as from the Mavic 2 Pro, but as I told you in the first video, if you do the 3 images together and then make a HDR or HDR panorama, it works totally fine and it's pretty good for editing. So that's my recommendation, and you get more pixels. So instead of 12, if you get like 9 images, you get 9 times 12. That's quite a lot. So that's more than 100 megapixels. So I think you should be fine. And this should give you quite some options to edit your footage afterwards. Also the grading is super good. 10-bit of video in this little drone is really superb. Yeah, so I think that's a little bit my thing, and I think now I got to set up because sun is coming in about 4 or 5 minutes, and yeah, I show you the footage and I catch you up afterwards. That's just always such a satisfying moment when the sun is coming. So yeah, I think it's time to fly the drone. Let's see what we get. Super scary to climb with the controller. Now I got to hurry, got to go to work. That's where I climbed. The sun is shining a little bit. Pretty nice mood over there. And yeah, just like let you be part of my little climb in the morning. And yeah, if you like this video, I hope it was helpful for you. So yeah, just put a thumbs up, would be really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of more like this kind of stuff for mountaineering, for photography, for techniques. So if you want to stay updated, subscribe to this channel. That's the perfect timing right now with this scenery for sure. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. When you watched till here, that's really cool. And yeah, see you soon somewhere outside. And yeah, here are some more images and videos I took with the drone, and for sure with the GoPro. So climb on. That's actually how I often shoot in the mountains, just like, yeah, build a little bit.